Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a GIF for Discord. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, you'll need to have a video file which you wish to make into a GIF or just a GIF. We should want to go and add some text to and maybe edit it a little bit, and that could be a URL or the actual file. And then what you need to do is come to jiffy.com or just search Jiffy and click on it. And you'll need to go and make an account or log in the top right. When you've got your account, go and click on create in the top right. And then you can either go and choose a file or go and enter a URL. And when you chose your file, you've got things like text, stickers, and filters. So there's quite a lot of things you can do here. But for me, I just want to go and add a caption. After you've typed in your text, you can choose the font, the color, and also how you want it to be centered. Click on the plus button and then it will be added. And then what we can do is go and resize it. Once you're ready, you can then click on continue to upload, and you can then click on upload Jiffy in the bottom right, and it will now be uploading. Once it's finished, you'll be taken to this page, and here then what we can do is go and click on share just to the right and click on copy GIF link. Now if we come back to Discord, I'll go and paste it in, and there is our GIF there. And you can easily send this GIF to people as well. So that's basically how you can make a GIF for Discord. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.